Welcome to Computer Education for All. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about
what is Next.JS? Next.js is a popular open-source JavaScript framework built on top of React. It is designed to simplify the process of building web applications, offering a range of features that enhance both the development experience and the performance of the resulting web apps. Here are some key features of Next.js. 1. Server-side rendering SSR. Next.js supports rendering pages on the server, which can improve SEO and page load times. 2. Static Site Generation (SSG). It allows for pre-rendering pages at build time, making the app faster by serving static HTML. 3. API routes. You can create backend API endpoints directly in your Next.js application without needing a separate server or framework.
4. Automatic code splitting. Next.js automatically splits the JavaScript code, loading only the necessary code for each page, which improves performance.
5. File-based routing. Next.js uses a file-based routing system where the file structure in the page's /directory determines the routes of the application. 6. Optimized for performance. Next.js has built-in features like image optimization and automatic static optimization to ensure better performance out of the box. 7. Incremental static regeneration (ISR). This feature allows you to update static content after the site has been deployed without rebuilding the whole app. 8. TypeScript support. Next.js has built-in support for TypeScript, making it easier to develop with static typing.
9. CSS and Sass support. It includes built-in support for global and component-level styles using CSS AS and CSS in JSSA solutions.
Starting a Next.js project is straightforward. Below are the steps to help you get started quickly. 1. Install Node.js. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your computer. Next.js requires Node 12.0 or higher. Download Node.js from nodejs.org.
After installation, you can check the version by running the following command in your terminal.
Node v create a new Next.js application. You can create a Next.js project using the Create Next App tool, which sets up everything you need automatically. Open your terminal and run the following command. Nux create next app at latest my next app. This will create a new Next.js application in a folder called my next app. You can replace my next app with any name you prefer. If you want to use TypeScript right from the start, you can add the TypeScript flag. Nux create next app at latest my next app TypeScript. 3. Navigate to your project directory. Once the project is created, move into the project directory.
CD, my next app.
4. Run the development server. To start the Next.js development server and view your app in the browser, run run dev. After this, open your browser and navigate to hub//localhost 3000. You should see the default Next.js welcome page. 5. Start building your app. Now you can begin building your Next.js app. Here are a few important files and directories in a default Next.js project. Pages/ contains React components that correspond to different routes. For example, pages/index. JS is the home page. Public/ contains static assets, images, fonts, etc. that can be directly accessed by the browser. Styles/ includes CSS files for styling your application. You can modify the pages/index. JS file to start building your homepage and any new JS or text if using TypeScript. Files you create inside the pages/folder will automatically become accessible as roots.
6. Additional resources.
Next, JS documentation, official documentation for detailed guides and reference. Next, JS examples, collection of example projects that showcase Next.
Background of Next.js. Next.js is an open-source JavaScript framework built on top of React, developed by Vercel, formerly known as ZEIT. It was created by Guillermo Rauch and first released in 2016. The primary goal of Next.js is to provide an easy-to-use and powerful framework for building React-based applications that can be optimized for performance, SEO, and scalability. Evolution. Version 1.0 was released in 2016 with basic SSR capabilities. Over time, Next.js has evolved to include powerful features like static site generation, SSG, incremental static regeneration, ISR, and API routes, making it one of the most popular frameworks for React developers. The Vercel platform, which created Next.js, provides seamless deployment solutions, making it easy to deploy Next.js apps globally. Why developers choose Next.js? It simplifies the complex aspects of React development, like routing, server-side rendering, and static generation, while offering powerful performance benefits out of the box. The extensive community, rich documentation, and support from Vercel ensure that developers can build sophisticated applications with ease and scale them globally. Next.js continues to be a top choice for React developers who want to take their applications to the next level, with performance and SEO being top priorities. Common use cases. Websites and blogs, static content, and SEO are optimized, making Next.js a great choice for blogs and marketing websites. E-commerce sites, dynamic pages can be server-side rendered or statically generated, improving both performance and user experience. Dashboards and admin panels. Thanks to API routes, Next.js makes it easy to integrate backend functionality directly into your app. Next.js has rapidly become one of the most popular frameworks in the React ecosystem, widely used by companies and developers for building production-ready, performance-optimized React applications. In essence, Next.js makes it easier to build highly performant, scalable, and SEO-friendly React applications by offering a set of out-of-the-box features, including server-side rendering, static site generation, and optimized performance.
That's it. You're now ready to start building with Next.
Thanks for watching. For more interesting tutorials, please like, share, comments, and subscribe to Computer Education for All.